Tired of clunky bank transfers? Let's dive into your PayPal and Revolut accounts to unlock the easy way to get your PayPal funds into your Revolut account. First, get logged into your PayPal account, then navigate to the Wallet section. That's usually at the top or the bottom of the screen, depending on the device you're using. Within the Wallet section, you should see your PayPal balance and an option that says Transfer Money. Click on this. You should now be on a screen with various transfer options. Select Transfer to Bank Account. You'll now be prompted to select the amount you want to transfer from your PayPal account. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Next, confirm your Revolut account details. If you haven't linked your Revolut account yet, you'll need to add it first by providing your Revolut account details, then review your withdrawal details, including the amount transferred. Once everything looks good, click the button to initiate the transfer. PayPal will then process the request. The transfer time can vary, but should take a few days. Within a few business days, the money should appear in your Revolut account, where you can use it instantly. And that's it. You've successfully transferred funds from PayPal to Revolut. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful fintech tips.